Tired of fumbling for keys or stressing about whether the door is locked? Look no further. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best smart door locks for 2025, each one picked for its solid security, modern design, and smart home features that'll instantly level up any front door. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews Picks for more of the latest and greatest picks. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Ultralock Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi, a true all-arounder in 2025. Coming in at around $140, this smart lock completely replaces your Deadbolt and gives you not 1, not 2, but 6 ways to unlock the door. Options include Fingerprint, keypad, smartphone app, voice commands, Alexa or Google, auto unlock, and even a hidden key slot. It's built with zinc alloy and rated IP65 weatherproof, ready for just about any climate. The fingerprint sensor is fast. Users can expect access in under 1.3 seconds. Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored, ideal for households, shared spaces, or short-term rentals. Best part, it has built-in Wi-Fi, so no hub required. The UTech app allows remote access to lock and unlock, set entry codes, and monitor logs from anywhere. It's ANC Grade 1 certified, meaning it's built to withstand up to 10 strikes of 75 pounds. Installation takes about 15 minutes. Just heads up, fingerprint recognition may be less consistent in extreme weather, and it doesn't support Apple HomeKit. Battery life runs 3 to 6 months on 4 AA batteries with a micro USB port for emergency power. For users who want flexible entry options and smart control, especially in rental or multi-user environments, the Ultralock Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi is an excellent pick. At number 2, we've got the Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint Matter, bringing next-gen smart home tech into 2025. Priced at around $200, this lock supports Matter over Thread, enabling seamless integration with Apple Home, Alexa, Google, and SmartThings, no extra hubs needed. Unlocking options include fingerprint, keypad, app, voice commands, or a traditional key. It also includes a door sensor for open-close status. The fingerprint scanner is ultra-responsive, unlocking in under a second for most users. With built-in Wi-Fi and Thread support, connectivity is stable and fast. It's also ANSI Grade 1 certified for high-level security. Setup is straightforward, though Matter configuration may pose a learning curve for those new to the ecosystem. The lock runs on 8 AA batteries with a lifespan of 6 to 10 months, plus USB-C backup port for emergency power. For users who want flexible entry options and strong security, especially in a rental or multi-user environments, the Ultralock Bolt Fingerprint Matter is an excellent pick. Taking the third spot is the Schlage Encode Plus, a standout option for Apple users. Priced at about $230, it comes packed with features. It supports Apple HomeKit, Apple Home Key, tap to unlock with iPhone or Apple Watch, Alexa, Google Assistant, and keypad access. Up to 100 codes can be stored. Built-in Wi-Fi means no extra bridge, and the Schlage Home app offers remote control and monitoring from anywhere. It's ANC Grade 1 certified and built to endure up to 10 strikes of 75 pounds, ideal for security-conscious households. Install time is about 10 minutes. Drawbacks, no fingerprint access, and battery life averages only 2 months on 4 AA batteries. But it includes a lifetime mechanical warranty and 3-year electronic warranty for added peace of mind. For Apple-centric smart homes looking for top-tier security and ease of use, this is a top contender.
Number 4 is the YaleAssure Lock 2, a reliable and stylish choice for a wide range of homes. Priced around $160, it offers multiple unlocking options, keypad, app, voice control, and optional modules for Wi-Fi or Matter support. Rated ANSI Grade 2, it handles up to 5 strikes of 75 pounds, still secure for most residential needs. Temporary codes and access schedules make it great for deliveries, visitors, or shared spaces. Setup takes roughly 15 minutes, and the Yale Access app enables code management, usage tracking, and scheduling. Note, Wi-Fi access requires a separate $80 module, and some versions lack fingerprint or keypad access. Battery life is around 6 months on 4 AA's with a 9-volt terminal for emergency power. Backed by a year of warranty and with its slim, modern design, it fits well in any smart home setup. It's especially useful for renters, families, or anyone with a mixed platform smart ecosystem. Last but not least, we've got the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a top choice for those who want to upgrade without replacing the entire Deadbolt. At just $130, this compact lock replaces only the interior thumb turn, allowing the original exterior key and hardware to remain. Built-in Wi-Fi enables compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings. It supports auto lock and unlock and features DoorSense technology to indicate if the door is fully closed. Geofencing allows for seamless, hands-free unlocking when users approach the door. The August app lets users send digital keys, track access, and manage controls remotely. Installation is quick, just 10 minutes with a screwdriver. It's not ANSI rated since it uses the existing Deadbolt and it lacks fingerprint or keypad access. Battery life runs 3 to 6 months on 4 AA's and includes a 1-year warranty. For renters or those seeking a simple, effective smart lock without hardware changes, this one stands out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best smart door locks for 2025. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're staying connected. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Talk Reviews, and tap the bell so you never miss your next tech upgrade. All the product links and the latest pricing are down in the description. Thanks for watching, stay fast, stay smooth, and we'll catch you in the next one.